Let's get cooking, baby.
Guys, welcome back. It is Bushcrafty Cooks again, and I'm not in the kitchen. I'm here with my pals. We're doing this challenge. And now it's time I have to eat this stuff. Now I've got a jar here. If you guys, I'll put the video up here in the description down there. When I made these, I got 2 jars of pickles. One is with cherry Kool-Aid, and the other one is with taco seasoning. I don't know how either one of these are going to taste. I've got me a napkin and I got me a bucket over here in case I need to dispose of them real quickly. So a lot of people said they would rather try the taco seasoning one, and there wasn't nobody wanted to do the cherry one, so I was kind of surprised. So I'm going to do the cherry one first, just because Nate's been in there for a little over a week, so they only asked to be in there for about a week. So, first of all, let's give it a smell, see what we think of this. I think I'm going to be sick. Okay, so let me get my napkin ready. Pull one of these pickles out of here. Oh, dang it, and it's a big one. And as you can see, the pickle is extremely red. I didn't think it would change the color of the pickle this much. Only a week. You can see the pickle there. It's kind of hard with my green screen and everything, so you got a green tint to it. So let's get ready. Here we go. So it dripped on me. So you guys can see me eat this thing. Okay. Wow. Actually, not too bad. Like, you definitely get the cherry taste to it. The cherry Kool-Aid. And you can see that it's not all the way colored all the way through, but you can get that cherry taste. I'm really surprised that it actually tastes halfway decent. Ooh. The thing, though, if I did this again, I think I would do it with like bread and butter pickles and the sweetness with that. Because I've seen people add sugar to it. I'm like, why would you want to add sugar to that? But anyways, let's go ahead and set that in the lid there. And that is our cherry Kool-Aid pickles. It tastes better than it smells, let me tell you. Our next one here is the taco season. Oh, that lid didn't want to come off there. Let's go ahead and grab one of these out of here and see what it looks. Oh, I got a small. There we go. Let me knock off the juice. Not too much of a color change with the taco seasoning one. You can it's a green screen, so just trust me that there's not much color change. It's a little bit lighter than a normal pickle, I guess. I forgot to do the smell. Woo! You can smell the taco seasoning. And I put probably about a half a packet in there, so it's good seasoning. So whatever is in taco seasoning, chili powder, cumin, you know, that kind of stuff. So we're going to go ahead and give this a taste and see what this tastes like. Here we go. Woo, that is really strong. Not spicy strong, but you can taste the taco seasoning. It's not too bad actually. I'm really surprised. I really thought this was going to be gross as heck. I should have challenged some other people to do this because it's actually pretty good. Not bad at all. Trying to think of what it tastes like. I get the tacos taste to it, but almost like a corn chip type taste to it. I don't know why. I mean, I'm trying to think of what if I can, because I don't usually buy pickles at the store because I make my own. I'm trying to think if I'd probably only put like a teaspoon in the jar when I canned it. Maybe I'll do 1 jar this year if I do pickles. Very interesting. It's got a good taste to it. It's not spicy because, you know, taco seasoning isn't spicy. I mean, you know, hot spicy. Actually pretty good. Now, which one of these would I eat more of? Probably the taco one, because the dill pickle, it tastes better with the dill pickle. Now, on the cherry Kool-Aid one, I would like to give it a try for like a bread and butter pickle, or the little Keebler, the little baby pickles. What do they call those? I don't know. Somebody will tell me. Those pickles, I bet you that would be really good. Those little baby miniature pickles, they're really sweet ones. I wouldn't want to add more sugar to something. If it's already got sugar in it, good. But the Kool-Aid one, I think I would like to do it with those little baby pickles, sweet pickles. But there you go, guys. That is the challenge. This is the part 2. This is the tasting part. So there was no need to put me in a kitchen or anything like that. Anyways, I'm going to let you guys go. If you have any more challenges that you would like me to do, if you like to see a challenge or cooking challenge or something like that, tag me in it, or, leave me a comment or email me or something like that. Be something interesting to do. Anyways, I'm going to let you guys go. Like always, happy cooking.